No looky. Alright, we got some cleaning up to do, so let's get some of this shit out of our way. Let's finally get this damn plastic off. Done with the Raptor line underneath. If you guys haven't watched the latest video or last videos, make sure you go ahead and do so because it came out great. I cleaned it out, but I left it in here for a couple of days. I kind of forgot about it, so it all just dried up. Don't be me. What videos do y'all want to see this year? What do you guys like? You like the short and sweet DIYs? And longer videos. Get this out of the way. Get it out of here. Make sure y'all are taping up your holes when you're doing the Raptor liner. Otherwise, you're gonna have a bad time. Here's the Raptor liner days after being finished, and it's set in really nice. I think it looks really good. Nothing really to say yet. Haven't driven it, so we can't really test the durability, but according to a bunch of other people, it works. Some people say it sucks. Some people say it's worse than it started off at. Yeah, everyone's got their opinion. I didn't realize how controversial Raptor liner is. There's multiple ways of doing things. I don't think Raptor liner is the only way. I don't think it's the only proper way. There's a lot of talk, a lot of opinions, because I made some posts on Facebook and Instagram, and man, did it get some traction. In my opinion, if you do the prep right, grind out the rust. If you cleaned it good enough and all that, you know, you're not really trapping the moisture, but some people like to just slap this shit on top of rust. Of course, you're worse off, and you're just hiding it and then trapping it, and then it's just gonna keep rotting away. So I think we did good, but yeah, I didn't know how much of a hot topic it would be. But hey, it looked good, right? When you're doing Raptor liner, you want to peel it wet, which I did all around the edges that I needed to. So I'm not too worried about anything else. I peel it around like these edges over there. If you wait too long, you might end up peeling up some Raptor liner and it's cracking, and then you gotta do some weird touch-ups. So, kind of get this thing going and off already. Alright, what I want to do is take it from the back to the front. It'd be so nice to have that two-car garage. I'm not fighting with the damn space everywhere. Maybe the back will be better. Let's see. Down the line, we're gonna have to repaint this thing. We're restoring the front end. We're gonna have to restore the rest of the car eventually. These contained. My hand is trash today, so it's even better. Get out of here, trash. That was like a workout. Shit. If things aren't prepped properly, or you got your tape still on there while it's all dried up, you're gonna peel it up and it might just chip things off and be a mess. Yeah, I got the plastic all off. Alright, so having the plastic all off, kind of looks weird now, but it looks good. And I'm happy that we're getting to some steps and getting some more things done like we should have been. Gotta take off the rest of this tape and also sweep up in here. Alright, let's take all this fun stuff off. I'm trying to do videos a little bit differently, go things more in depth, be a little bit more detailed, get the different shots like this, use the camera more instead of the GoPro. There's a lot of things that we need to improve on and get better at so we could actually level this channel up, especially this year. I am tired and sick of a lot of things, but sitting and complaining about it ain't gonna make shit better or fucking change anything. So, we have to take action, keep moving, keep getting these jobs done, and working it, man. 'Cause there's a lot to do, a lot to buy, a lot of money to make. New jobs to acquire, all that fun shit. Things on the way. 'Cause you're gonna have to get touched, engine bay. Hey. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. It is Monday, and I was having those Monday feels. Woke up groggy, went to sleep late, woke up early because of work. You know, throughout the whole day, I wasn't in the greatest mood. A bit frustrated. Things are easily getting me more tensed. Yeah, a little bit more reactive. More so just in a funk all day and kind of in a schmood. And, you know, I couldn't wait to get home and just kind of not be at work and deal with those people and that job and whatever. Come home, get greeted by my doggos, my beautiful girl, and you know, things start feeling quite better. A little bit more relieving. Feels good, you know, coming back to your peoples. As soon as I started this video and, you know, started recording, doing all this car work stuff, my mood instantly changed around, man. I like not even thinking about anything. Kind of had me mind on task and focused because I'm recording and doing stuff, so I'm like running back and forth. The mind's really occupied because we tend to wander a lot. If you guys feel the same, unfocused a lot or frustrated or ADHD or ADD, whatever, let me know down in the comments what helps you guys kind of fight that, get your mind on task. I'm probably gonna have to catch you guys back tomorrow because I gotta go to the stores, buy some dog food, and just kind of do some extra things because weekdays only got so much time. So yeah, I'll catch you guys very shortly. Alright, y'all know what time it is, man. Power washer comes out and you got a bare engine bay. What do you gotta do? I think we gotta clean this fucking thing. As you guys could tell, it's a little bit dirty, a little bit. Oh shit. Don't make my only bottle fall. As y'all could tell, it's a little dusty and stuff, you know, we gotta clean this up. Purple Power here mixed with a little bit of water, degreaser, get it all brushed up, and then probably grab the power washer right here, spray it all down really quick, and be good to go. We have to clean it up because it's been sitting for a little while, and you never want to sand in all this grime and dirt into the paint because you're just contaminating it, and then in the long run it's just going to be no good. So that's what we got to do. I need to learn how to weld and take out the little MIG welder. I have like the Flex Core titanium little MIG welder from Harbor Freight that I haven't even pulled out and used yet. So I got to do that. And I also have a TIG welder that I used a little bit, but then I stopped for a while and it's just been sitting, and I don't have a tank now because, yeah, it was sitting, so I had to return it because I was renting one out. Yeah, enough talking. Let's get back into this shit. We got our trusty old Harbor Freight pressure washer here. We gotta spray up a little bit more. Even if we're using Purple Power, I don't care if it's like hurting the paint or anything because it's all getting painted again anyway. Alright, get the scrubbing. Get the scrubbing. Something like this, like a brush like this, would be best because it could get all in the crevices and kind of just break up all that grime. And then you use your rag or pressure washer and give it some zaps of water to help break the extras free. Got my lovely girl here, so we're gonna have two people doing some brushing and scrubbing.
It's the passenger princess side.
Start scrubbing away. Scrub hard in there, good.
How'd it work out?
Literally. Shit, new skill unlocked. We did a little bit of sanding because we self-etching primed a lot of this, like right here. As you guys could tell, we kind of went overboard, and I honestly shouldn't even done it, so kind of put more work onto ourselves. Now we have to just sand it all. So that's kind of what we've been doing, sanding with 180, then we're gonna go around and do everything with 220. But I also had to wire wheel a lot of these spots again and put the OSFO on, seam sealer, then go with a different seam sealer and shit. So yeah, it's a whole process, but we're finally getting to it with the engine bay, doing the sanding. Bunch of sanding and more sanding. Right now I got it on the 220 right here. And this is like kind of like one of the only flat surfaces other than, you know, frame rail over there and shit. Just working it. This is what you guys wanted. This is what you wanted to see, man. Some white TSX progress, and it's happening. So y'all better like, comment, and subscribe, man. Damn. Bam. Mac lifter kits coming soon. The pre-orders are available. So TSXs are finally gonna have some bumper support, more so for the Euro R gen, but we will be able to use the bumper ones on the front. Yeah, he's coming with that, and he's also going to try to make some USDM kind of version for the bumper brackets and get it all lined up. So we have options instead of having to use cardboard and super glue like I did. I mean, you can see the super glue still. See that super glue in there a little bit. Y'all see that? You see that rigidness all right here? Yeah, that's super glue. Y'all see that orange? Yeah, that is cardboard. 2 pieces of cardboard super glued together and then super glued to the bumper to make it as a tab. So yeah, that's kind of the shit that I did to make this stay and not mess up. And it's, you know, gotten quite a few smacks and hitting bumps in my driveway and stuff like that. That's probably why it's like this right now. It was more flush. But it's been holding on for a solid like 7 months or something. So we're gonna have an official kits that are metal, attach it, and yeah. Where do we leave off at, y'all? This is some of this mindless shit that, when am I gonna record me just wire wheeling and sanding the whole time, like y'all seeing the same thing? So I record little bits, little cuts, and then just keep on going. It's a little bit of a mess right now. So if you guys made it this far to the video, thank you so much for staying and tuning in, because it really means a lot. The watch time, the growth, every like, every interaction, every subscription, it all helps, man. We're on the road for 10K subscribers and beyond. We're really trying to make something of this and just kind of keep learning, keep growing, seeing what people like, what don't like, how to keep things more entertaining and get on the algorithm a little bit better, you feel me? But with that, that's gonna come with time, consistency, and finally getting a different chassis eventually. Unless these TSXs keep finding me, then I'm just gonna have the V6 swap one so I can have a V6. Let me show y'all what we cracking with over here. We sanding all this down. For the most part, I still gotta get underneath here. I didn't touch up anything underneath because I didn't feel like bending or going on the ground with this thing. But yeah, we sanded a lot of this stuff down. A lot of these areas that I hit with wire wheel again. Still a lot of sanding and grinding areas that I gotta do, like little shit right there. I grind a lot of these spots back here, as you could tell. Little rust and these crevices and seams and shit like that. I still gotta get in a little bit back there. So yeah, just like little touch-up areas and then really start sanding things, rubbers and stuff, hidden shit behind there. But honestly, I may just leave that. I don't want to take things off and then I don't want to go back on, or just the space and just fuck shit. So I may just leave these rubber grommets there and just paint around that and just mask it off and stuff. Seems kind of shitty to do that, but I'm trying to get this done and not drag it and prolong it because I'm procrastinating about other shit. So like you see, there's some rust in there. I gotta grind all this kind of stuff down, but we're making progress. So once I finally grind it all down, I might have to clean it, wipe it, or at least the areas that I did grind, and then put some OSFO on it to protect it and neutralize the rust, and then sand everything down 220 because I am doing spray cans. I've seen some people do epoxy, and I've seen a lot of people do like a filler primer. Still deciding on some things, but we're making progress finally. Finally, I know this is something you guys want to be seeing, but some of it is not the funnest to watch, so I know. So I'm trying to figure out other ways to do things, keep it entertaining, a bunch of sounds, cuts, and stuff. And also, like, the content's been a little slower and hard because I've been trying to save a little bit of money. Your boy's been trying to save a little bit because, you know, we got some living situations that are gonna be changing here soon. In a couple months, and then also need to buy stuff for this thing, so I've been kind of leaving this one alone and not doing as much content on it. So things have been kind of, it's gonna happen because it is hard to make content for two of the same cars, and then just waiting for parts and need money and just time. So yeah, what do you guys think we should do with this next? You know, we can switch up some content, keep it flowing. I'm trying not to buy too much, but some deals be popping up, and it's hard not to. But we have to figure some stuff out, keep this as a daily for a while, but we need more content. With that being said, thank you guys for tuning in to this video of restoring the TSX. Next time, get a lot of this done with the wire wheeling, really start sanding down, and then prepping for the stages of primer, hopefully. You know, it takes time, y'all. Your boy be working, you know, got dogs, got other things I gotta do too, so I'm trying to fit it all in between, but we are making that progress. So, if you guys enjoy this channel, you guys enjoy TSX content, Honda stuff, car meets, whatever it may be, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment what you do like watching, and subscribe if you care to and you want to continue watching. Hit that notification bell because it really does help. You know, I want you guys to be notified when your boy posting 2 times a week. At least that's what we're trying to. Tuesdays and Fridays at 3 p.m. It's been a little iffy lately, but we'll keep doing what we're doing and keep progressing with both TSXs. It's been your boy Rish, and I'm out. Peace.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.